Hi, it's Nathan, and this is going to be a pic of this high security bike lock. It's by Abus and it's the model Abus Granit X Plus 54. You can have a close up there. It's locked at the moment and the key works. And just so it fits on frame, I'm just going to pick it without the shackle, but let's lock it back up. And you can see the locking lugs don't retract, so it is locked. So to start with, let's disable the disc locking system. So to do that, you just reach to the back, slightly rotate the core, and I use a key blank that I filed down on the end. And it's just really nice just to make sure you get every disc and it rotates things perfectly. So we'll start with front tension. And these cores bind from the back, so we'll start on the back. And we'll start by putting every disc into a gate. Just after a little click on each one, and then I'll move on. And I've got to the top, and I've already got some movement on the core as I was doing that, so they're all in a gate. Now I'll just check whether it's just make sure it's the true gate. That feels alright. Okay, there you go, that's open. So I was just really concentrating on finding the gates. So you can see that does retract, and just so you know it does indeed retract, you can put it back on the shackle. And we'll have to rotate that all to lock it up. There we go, it's locked again. Thank you very much.